In this video, you'll learn how to transfer cryptocurrency from KuCoin to your Coinbase wallet. This process involves several steps, including navigating through both platforms and ensuring that you enter the correct wallet address to avoid any loss of funds. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the KuCoin website. Once the page loads, you will see the home page with various options. Look for the Assets tab, typically located in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. This is where you will manage your cryptocurrencies BUR. Next, click on the Assets option. This will take you to a page displaying your cryptocurrency holdings. You should see your total balance and various options related to your assets. After this, find and click on the funding option, which is usually located on the left side of the screen. This section allows you to manage deposits and withdrawals. After that, click on the withdrawal button. This action will direct you to a new screen where you can initiate the withdrawal process. It is essential to ensure that you have enough funds in your account to cover the transfer, as well as any potential transaction fees associated with the withdrawal. Now click on the Select Coin drop-down menu. A list of available cryptocurrencies will appear. From this list, locate and select USDT or the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. This selection is crucial because it determines the type of asset that will be sent to your Coinbase wallet. Once you have selected USDT, proceed to click on the wallet address field. This is where you will input your Coinbase wallet address. Make sure that you have your Coinbase wallet open in another tab or application so you can easily copy and paste the correct address. Double check the address to ensure it is accurate, as sending cryptocurrency to the wrong address can result in a loss of funds. Next, click on the Select Network option. A menu will appear allowing you to choose the network through which the transaction will occur. It is recommended to select TRC20 for USDT transfers, as this is often the most cost-effective option with lower fees. Confirm your selection before moving on. After selecting the network, click on the Submit button to initiate the transfer. A confirmation screen may appear detailing the transaction information. Review this information carefully to verify that all details are correct, including the amount being transferred and the wallet address. Once confirmed, complete the transaction. It is important to note that cryptocurrency transactions can take some time to process depending on network congestion. Additionally, ensure your internet connection is stable during this process to avoid any interruptions. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section on KuCoin or Coinbase for assistance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.